everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to restart your Xiaomi phone. So this is easy, just go to the right and you can hold down the power button right here. And this Gemini AI might open up, which is fine. Just continue to hold that button down. And then you can slide this up to power off, or you can slide it down to restart. Now if the button isn't working, what you could do is just go to the button right here and the volume down. So we can press both these down, the power button and the volume down button. I might take a screenshot. So let's do it now. Hold it down at the same time. So I'll take a screenshot, but after about 10 to 15 seconds, the phone will automatically restart. So there's a screenshot, screen went off, now it's vibrating and it's restarting. So if it's being difficult, you can force restart it at any point in time. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.